Hello guys! Or should I say hello guys? Welcome back to my channel. A new Halloween season starts right now. We are gonna do just Halloween tutorials this whole month. I did this last year, I had so much fun, and I'm gonna do the same this year. And I'm not quite sure how this look is gonna turn out. Of course you do know because you've seen the thumbnail, but at this moment I have something in my mind and I'm not quite sure where to bring this look exactly. We'll see. So let me do a checklist. I do have the colors I definitely want to use. They are water-based. I do not react in any way. Black, white, and maybe red. I will see what I need throughout the video, and then maybe scissors and of course brushes, and my friends and I, we wish you a very pleasant Halloween tutorial. And also please excuse the little shit here that just doesn't want to go away. It decided to live on my face like 2 weeks ago and it's just there. Can't do anything about it. That drives me crazy. Anyway, let's do this. So let me put my hair in a ponytail or something, because I don't want to make it black or white or any other color. So this would be me without anything on my face. Now I think I'm gonna take like a liner to sort of map out what I want to do, you know, like the shape of the mask I want to paint on my face. So I'm gonna start here. I want to do something like this. Don't have a very tall forehead. Sometimes that's inconvenient because I would need a bit more space here, but we work with what we have. This shape. See, that's why it's always good to map out what you're doing. You can take a wipe and wipe away what you messed up. The little shit is gonna be covered in black for this look. So this is just a rough shape. I will see about the details, about doing it perfect afterwards, because I do have a bit of, you know, left space here, so I can expand if I need to. But yeah, basically this is the shape I would like to have, and I will just paint myself black for now. And this look is really easy, I feel like, what I have in my mind to create. This everyone can do. And I'm gonna take the black color and the brush, and with just a bit of water, you know, do like this and start painting, like over the brows, you know, the eyelids, nose, mouth, everything. You have to apply this in layers because you're not going to get the coverage you want from the beginning with the first layer. So let it dry and apply the second one, the third one, and so on. You know, depending on how good the colors are and actually how much water you've put, because it's going to be too watery, of course, and the black is not going to be very black. It's going to be like grey maybe. Do you actually see what I'm doing? Should I bring it forward? This is better, isn't it? I can see a bit better what's going on here. So that would be it. Let it dry for a spell, and I'm just gonna perfect the line here and where it's needed. So now we will need rope, but I just cannot find it. I bought it and I don't find it. I need white rope, but I have an H&M bag and I have this, the handle. So I will be using this. Who needs rope when we have an H&M bag? I've cut the handles and I will be using those. I hope it's going to be fine. They are a bit, stiff, but I think I can work with that. Anyway, now first I'm going to take the cottons and I'm going to rip them apart like randomly and just see how I can place them on my mouth and eyes so that it looks gruesome, like this, something like this. And then I will be taking a Dio glue and put a bit of that, not too much. Let it dry for like 20 seconds maybe, and then take your cotton and place it how you like it. I think I wanted it like this and like this, and like over the lips. I think I want to add a bit of red, of the red paint. Or maybe I will take a lip liner or an eyeliner if you have a red one, and do the inner rims of your eyes red. I think that would be a nice touch. And then put a bit of cotton over the lids, over the lids, so that you can see something but that it looks gruesome. And then I will show you how I'm gonna use the rope, the white handles of the bag. That sounds like a plan, so let's do it like that. First the inner rims. And I have here fake blood. You can find this literally everywhere at this time of year, and just spray once or twice over it so that it looks like bloody, So I'm going to be careful with that because it stains. And now I'm going to take again the glue and place it. Oh, that was a bit too much, right? Place it like this randomly where you want to put the bloody thing over the eyes. This might be a bit too much, maybe like this. I don't even know what I'm being today, what is this? What's this? Do you have an idea? How should I call this tutorial? I find that this is really easy, like anyone can do it, and that was the idea. Look at that, I'm completely stained, like my hands are red. What a joy. So now I'm gonna take again the glue and place it, I want to place the ropes like over the eyes in an X and over the mouth. I'll see what shape. I'm gonna be taking that. I think I want to place it like this and then like this. I think this is enough. And as well, one more time. Right, so now I'll be putting the glue directly onto the rope, and I'll let it dry for like 30 seconds maybe until it gets tacky, and then I can put it over the eyes, I said I will be doing the eyes last, but I think the mouth will be last because otherwise I won't be able to speak. now for the mouth, I am going to do basically the same thing, just not an X. I'm gonna do the shape of a mouth with some sort of like lines over it, like teeth or something. First the over line, you know, like the top lip, so to say. Don't worry if it gets stained with glue. We have the white paint. We can paint over it if we want it white. Let me measure this. I think here. I think this is the longer part, you know, because you have to cut them and until the glue dries down, you can't do anything else. And this I'm gonna just place it over the top one. How should I call this look? How should I call this tutorial? What's this? What's this mask? Is it like a voodoo sort of puppet, maybe? Can I be one? Because I don't have any other idea, you know, I didn't copy anything, it's just what I had in mind. I don't know how to call this. Oh yeah, what a beauty. Stay there, down boy. I'll take now the white paint and a very fine small brush and go over where the glue has dried. Gonna take this palette, which I bought especially for Halloween. Face palette is called, from Technic. This applied with a sponge or with a brush. It has so much coverage, I didn't expect it. So this is the completed look, I would say. I don't want to add too much. I don't want to go crazy with red everywhere and whatever not. I think this is a very easy look. You can achieve it like maybe in an hour max. You don't need more than that. If you use actual rope, it's going to be easier and maybe a bit more comfortable to wear. Because of the mouth, yeah, you cannot drink anything. It's a look more for the effect of it. You can go somewhere like this, but maybe not stay too much, not too long, like 2 hours, take pictures, have a bit of fun and scare a few people, and that's it, you know. I did have fun creating it. I had it in my mind. I wanted it out, and this is the look. We will need to complete the look a wig, and I'm just gonna put it on my head, see how it looks, and take a few pictures for the thumbnail, and this would be it. I hope you liked it, guys. As always, if you did like the look, give a thumbs up and all that, and enjoy my upcoming videos with the Halloween looks I want to create. This is just the beginning, guys, and this is just, you know, an easy look. I have some other looks planned, and I hope that you like them, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Stay tuned because I'm not finished with this look.